video. My name is Harshal and this is Computer Network Lab experiment number 6, configuration of data dynamic routing RIP1 and RIP version 2. Means in this experiment we will see how to configure the routing protocol with classful and classless and with version 1 and version 2. So let's begin the video. So in description we will see what is the RIP version 1. So let's see. Dynamic routing is a technique in which a router learns about routing information without an administrator help, and add the best route to its routing table. Means the dynamic routing is simple, uh, like static routing. Means in static routing we have to configure everything, and we have to add the route to the router, and we have to tell that this is the route of this router and you have to go to the another router. But in the dynamic routing we are going to see that the administrator do not have to give the routing table. It simply he will give the network ID of that address, and then the routing protocol will work. A router running a dynamic routing protocol a router running a dynamic routing protocol adds the best route to its routing table. Means this will add the best route to the table and can also determine another path if the primary route goes down. Means if it goes down, it will go to the another route, and it will go to another route, and it will go to the destination. Dynamic routing protocol can be categorized into two. I Interior gateway protocol, exterior. Means these two are the types of the RIP version 1. Next we will go to RIP version 2. RIP version 2 is enhanced version of RIP 1. And this is the enhanced version. RIPv2 is classless, but the RIP1 is a classful protocol. Means it is enhanced version, so it will go fast than the version of RIP. RIP2 is a classless protocol, and it support VLSM, means variable length subnet masking, and CIDR, that is classless interdomain routing, and route summarizing. Means it is a protocol that supports VLSM and CIDR in the routing protocol. So this it's very simple to configure. So we will go to the first topology that is given for the RIP version 1. So this is the topology for RIP version 1. This we will configure this, and we will give this three routers the IP configuration, and we will get the output. So let's go to the first PC, and we will give IP for the first PC, that is 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.1. This is the first IP. Next we will go to the next PC and give this IP 192.168.5.2, 192.168.5.1. We will go here and give this IP, that is 192.168.3.2, 192.168.3.1. Okay, so we have configured this. Now we will give the switch, means the this gateway IP to the router. So we will go to the first router. Here we will type enable config terminal. This is our router 1. This is our router 1. We will give the gateway first Ethernet 00, IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. So this is configured. Now we will go to the serial port, that is 2/0, 2/0, IP address 192.168.2.1, 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. Okay, so we have given this. Next we will give this 30 IP address 192.168.6.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, so this configuration is done. Next we will go to the router 2. No, enable config terminal. Host is router 2. Interface, that is first Ethernet this 0000 IP address 192.168.3.3.1 255.255.0. Shut down. So this port is on. Next we will give this serial interface serial 2 comma 2 slash 0 IP address 192.168.2.2 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. So this IP is configured here. Next we will give this serial 6 serial 6 slash 0 IP address 192.168.4. We will give here 2 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, so this configuration is done. Next we will go to this router, that is this last router, and give here enable config terminal. This is a router 3 fast ethernet 00 IP address 192.168.5.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, so this configuration is done for the gateway. Next we will give this in serial 60 IP address 192.168.4.1 to 55.255.255.0. No shutdown. So this port is open now. You can see here interface. Now this last serial 30 IP address 192.168.6.2 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, so this configuration is done here. Now let's check the ping is going or not. See, it is showing here fail. Next again we will check whether it's going or not. See here, it is showing failed. So now we have to do, that is we will give this router IP address to this to this, and this to this. Means when we give this, the configuration will be done, then it will communicate between this network. So we will go here without wasting our time. Okay, enable config. When it is in privileged mode, we type here do show IP route. So this is the IP route. Next we will go and type router RIP. So this is the RIP version 1. So here we will don't write version, only this router RIP, and we will give this IP to the router, that is network 192.168.1.0 is directly connected. 2.0 is connected and 6.0 is connected. Exit, exit and exit. So we will go to the router 2 here, enable config terminal, do show IP route. So this all three are connected here. We will type router RIP network 192.168.2.0, 3.0 and 4.0. Exit, exit and exit. So router 2 configuration is done. Now third router, enable config terminal, boot, show IP route. So these three are connected. We will type router RIP network 192.168.4.0, 5.0 and 6.0. Exit, exit, exit. Okay, so configuration is done. Now we will see whether the packet is going or not. First it will go fail, I think so, and then successful. So it is going successfully from year to year. It is showing successful failed, but next it will go pass. It is showing a successful from this to this. It is traveling. So this configuration is done successfully. Next we will go to the second one, that is version 2. So this is the second version of RIP. Here we are here. Next we will configure this. So here we will go and give IP address 172.30.2.2, 172.30.2.1. This configuration is done. This configuration now 172.30.100.2, 172.30.100.1, sorry, 100.1. This 10.1.0.2. This is 16. 10.1.0.1. Okay, so this is here. For this is the router IP. For this, we have to give here. Okay, 255. Okay, so this configuration is done for the PC. Next, we will give this switch gateway. Here we will go CLI, enable config terminal, host name, that is R1 for router 1. Configuration that will come, that is interface path first Ethernet 00, IP address 172.30.2.1, 255.255, 255.252. Shut down. Okay, so this is done. Next, serial 2/0, IP address 209.265.200.233. We will give 255.255.255.252. No, shut down. Okay, so this configuration is done. Here is 233 and here it will come 234, and here it will come serial 3/0, IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.252. Shut down. Exit, exit and exit. Here we will go to router 2, enable config terminal, host, that is router 2, interface first Ethernet 00, IP address 10.1.0.1 255.255.0.0. No shutdown. So this port is up. Next we will give this interface serial 2/0 IP address 209.165.200.234 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Okay, so this router is on. Next we will give serial 6/0 IP address interface serial 60 IP address. So here it is 228. We will give here 229 and it will be here 30. 200 sorry 209.165.200.229 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit, exit, and exit. Let's check what we gave here. It is 229. Okay, so here we will go to the router 3 and change enable config terminal host, that is router 3. So I'm giving this router's name because it will be easier for the configuration. IP interface fast Ethernet 00, IP address 172.330.100.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. This port is on your interface serial 30, IP address 192.168.1.2 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Okay, so this port is on serial 6/0 IP address serial 6/0 IP address 209.165.200.230. 230. Let's check what we give. Yes, 230. 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Okay. Exit, exit, and exit. So as we saw previous, now we did for RIP1. When we give this to this, it will give fail. From this to this, still it will go fail. Like next we will give the RIP for the router 1. Okay, so this will be easy. Enable config terminal do show IP root. So this is the routes that are connected here. So we will go here and type router RIP version 2 network, that is directly connected 172.30.2 dot 0 network 192.168.1.0 192.168.1.0 network 209.165.200.232. Let's check. This is here, this is here, and this is here. Exit, exit, and exit. For the router 2, enable config terminal do show IP root router RIP version 2, we will give network, that is this is 10.1.0.0 directly connected network. 209.165.200.228, here is 232. Okay, configuration is done. Exit, exit, and exit. Router 3, enable config terminal do show IP route. So this is here directly connected router RIP version 2 network 172.30.100.0 is directly connected network 192.168.1.0 directly connected network 200.165.200.228 is directly connected. Exit, exit, and exit. Okay, so all configuration is done for the router RIP version 2. From here we will give this ping. So it is going here successful. From here to here it is showing. First it will go failed, next it will go successful. So here it is going successful. From here to here it is going successful, and from here to here it is showing successful. So here we configured this for the router RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. So all configuration is successfully done. So this was experiment number 6, configuration of dynamic routing RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. Thanks for watching my video.